I saw you laughing in the sun today, but you didn't look my way. I waited, I stayed, still you walked away. I wrote your name 1,000 times on every cloud, in every line, but you just run, you never see what you really mean to me. I'm just a cat with a fragile heart. You're running free, I'm falling apart. Every time you call me friend, it feels like this will never end. Why do I stay when you don't feel the same? Why do I hope you'll say my name? Stay with me just a little longer, even if I'm not the one you want. Look at me, I'm getting weaker, trying to be someone I'm not. Stay with me, don't say goodbye, even if it's just a lie. I'd rather live in this dream than wake up and lose you tonight. Hey Milo, why so blue? The sky's still bright, I'm here with you. You think too much, you feel too deep. You cry alone when you should sleep. I joke around, I laugh it off, but seeing you hurts more than enough. You don't see what's right in front. I've been here all along. You never knew what I tried to hide behind my smile. I kept it inside. Stay with me just a little longer, even if we're scared to say. Look at me, getting closer, but still so far away. Stay with me, don't let go. There's so much we never showed. Maybe love was your honesty. We were just too slow. If I turn away, devastates me. If I say the truth, will you hate me? I'm tired of loving you alone. You were never on your own. Stay with me, don't run away. I've been waiting for this day. All the words we couldn't say finally found their way. Stay with me, now I see you were always next to me. I was blind, but now I know. I don't wanna let you go. We were lost, now we're found. Two hearts beating in one sound. No more hiding, no more fear. You were always right here.